Morning student, myself UK Singh, science teacher at ISL Murindi Dhanbad. Today we will continue with the same chapter of class 8, which is some natural phenomenon. Now we were discussing about earthquake. Okay, we have described about the various aspects of earthquake. Now in this class we'll study about a device which is used to measure the magnitude or quantum of earthquake. Now a seismograph is a device which is placed under the ground, and it has got different kinds of things like strings, magnet, pendulum bob, rotating drum. Now this, whenever earthquake happens, the pendulum bob oscillates according to the magnitude, and a graph sort of image has been built in the rotating drum, which signifies the magnitude of earthquake. Okay, so it is a device which is specially placed underground in order to measure earthquake. Okay, the earthquake is basically measured in Richter scale. Richter scale is the magnitude of earthquake. Okay, Richter scale more than 7 is considered as dangerous. However, less than 7 sometimes are also dangerous, but they are not. But above 7 is very, what you can say, cause lot of damage, lot of destruction. Now the next topic is protection from earthquake. How can we possibly protect ourselves from earthquake? Because it cannot be foretell or predicted. Okay, so we have to take precaution because we don't know when it will occur. Especially people living in the seismic zones need to be more vigilant. Okay, so there are some standard procedures that have been what you can say, standard procedures for the people who live in those regions, which are, first of all, the structure or the building should be earthquake resistant. So there are different methods or designs that have been built by architect and engineers, so make sure that the buildings are earthquake proof. Okay, second, rather than making house from concrete, it is better to made it from mud and timber, so that the structure cannot become heavy. Whenever it falls, it cannot damage. The damage will should be minimum. Okay, whenever it falls. Second, don't fix any heavy equipments in the wall. It may fall and it can damage you. Okay, the Central Building Research Institute, Roorkee, has developed some structures of earthquake resistance houses. Okay, which is basically based on the cross pillar. We will study in the higher classes. Okay, so what one should do and not do during earthquake. If you are at home, just if tremors occur, just hide yourself beneath the table or beneath the bed. Okay, if there's no time for that, if you are in bed, just put a pillow over your head, because the maximum damage occurs in head, and the injury of heads are mostly fatal. Okay, if you are outside, then try to find an open place. If not available, then stay away from tall buildings, trees, and other kind of stuff. If you are in a car, just stay inside it and ask the driver to drive slowly to clear a spot. Okay, these are some standard procedures during earthquake. After you get the video, the class group will be open for all of you to ask your doubts. Thank you.